Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are in day 7 session 2.1 map type columns in Spark data frame. We are seeing about the advanced data types in Spark. In previous session we have seen about an array data type. If you have not seen a video, please see the day 6 video. So now today we are going to see about the map type columns in Spark data frame. First we are doing an import datetime to support an date type columns in our users data. The users data, which is nothing but a list of dict we have and which has multiple attributes. Users list contains dicts and each dict contains multiple attributes like id, name, phone number. In phone number, if you see, we have an array, we have a dict again which has a key as in mobile and a home which has corresponding values to it. Now let's see how to create a data frame on top of this value. To create a data frame, we are using importing a row here from Pyspark.sql import row. Users underscore df is nothing but my data frame name, and I'm doing in spark.create data frame. I'm using a list comprehension here for user. In users, I'm using a row star user. If you see the columns here, id, name, phone number, which has its data type. If you see the phone number, which is nothing but a map here and which has a key and value as a string. The uses df.select id comma phone number dot show truncate equal to false. You can able to see the id column and its phone number values. If you see the id column 1, 2, 3, which has an dict of mob key and value pass, mobile and home as a key and its corresponding values, and 4 is null because we are not we have not given any value for an id 4, and 5 is having only the mobile number. If you see the data types again, we can able to see the phone number which is nothing but a map and string of string. Okay, to get only the mobile number, what we can do, from Pyspark.sql.functions import call, we are importing a call here, and users underscore df.select id comma call of phone number and then the index of mobile dot show, so that we will get only the mobile number. In a similar way, we can get a home number as well. For a home number, 5 will be null because we have not defined any home number for an id 5. So here we are able to see only one row for an id. So id 1 will have only one row as in a mobile as well as a home we can generate. So if you want to have an, let's say id 1 is having a phone number and home mobile number and home numbers as a phone numbers. If you want that in two different rows, we need to go for an explode function. From Pyspark.sql functions import explode users underscore df dot select id comma explode phone number. If you see, you will be able to see that id 1 which comes in two rows, 1 1, and the key and value is a column names which has a mobile as a key value in first row and home as a key value in the second row, and the corresponding values in the value column. And if you want important thing, if you see the id 5 which has only mobile, it's not having any home number in that one, so we will able to see only one row for id 5, and id 4 will be missing because we are not having a null value for an id 4 in 4 numbers. To get the null value as well, as we seen earlier, we have to use an explode outer. From Pyspark.sql.functions import explode underscore outer user underscore df.select id explode outer of phone number. If you do, we will able to see that an id 4 and which will come as a key and value as null. We able to see the null values as well. So that is the difference between an explode and explode outer. The columns are generated as a key and value. To rename, we have to use a with column renamed. Users underscore df dot select star comma explode phone number with column renamed is a key here we are using here, which function we are using here, which will use to rename the column names. So what column we have to rename? We have to rename the key column. So key column is renamed with phone underscore type with column renamed value as phone underscore number. Then we are dropping a phone underscore numbers here because we already extracted that as a phone underscore type and phone underscore number. If you see the value, we will get an ID 1 and then a phone type as mobile and home and phone numbers as its corresponding values. I hope this session will help you and you have get a knowledge about the map data types in a Spark. In upcoming session, we will see about the struct data types in a Spark. Thanks for watching. Bye.